Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to export transaction history on Fundbox. Do you need a record of all your Fundbox transactions for bookkeeping or tax filings? Well, here's how to export your complete transaction history in just a few clicks. First thing you got to do, of course, is to log into your Fundbox account on fundbox.com, and once you're in, just go to the transactions or activity tab. Now you're going to look for the export or download CSV/PDF option. Usually you can find that at the top right of the transactions list. Now just choose your date range and select all, or you can just select all time to download, everything. And once that's selected, click download and the file is going to be saved to your device. Now you will typically get a CSV file which can be opened in Excel, Google Sheets, or your preferred accounting software. And from there on, you can go ahead and use it for whatever purpose you have in mind. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.